Only 3 exercises to stay fit, strong, and young. After 50, proven. If you're over 50, this might just be the most important video you watch this year. Right now your body is at a powerful turning point. You can either let aging slow you down or take small, smart steps to stay strong, mobile, and mentally sharp for decades to come. And here's the best part. You don't need a gym, a bunch of equipment, or long, complicated workouts. Just 3 simple exercises. That's it. Easy to learn, incredibly effective, and backed by science. So stay with me to the end, because these movements could reshape how you move, feel, and age, starting today. Move 1. Push-ups, upper body strength plus heart protection. Let's start with a tried-and-true classic, the push-up. Push-ups are one of the most efficient upper body exercises out there. They strengthen your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at the same time. That's a big win for a move you can do just about anywhere. Why does building upper body strength matter so much after 50? Because muscle mass naturally declines with age, and that leads to slower metabolism, weaker bones, and increased risk of injury. Push-ups counteract all of that. More muscle means your body burns more calories, even while you're relaxing, and stronger muscles mean better support for your joints, making everyday tasks like lifting groceries or carrying bags easier and safer. Here's a bonus that may surprise you. A long-term study found that adults over 50 who could perform a solid number of push-ups had a significantly lower risk of cardiovascular disease. That's right, push-ups may actually help protect your heart. Form matters. Place your hands just slightly wider than shoulder width, lower yourself with control, and push back up powerfully. If a standard push-up feels too challenging, start with modified versions, knees on the floor or hands elevated on a bench or wall. Stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at how fast your strength improves. Next up, squats. This move is non-negotiable if you want to stay strong, independent, and mobile as you age. Squats build strength in your thighs, hips, glutes, and even your core. These are the muscles you rely on every single day to get up from a chair, climb stairs, walk with stability, or avoid a fall. Here's the truth. After 50, lower body strength often starts to fade. That can lead to poor balance, instability, and a higher risk of injury. But you can change that. Squats don't just strengthen muscles, they improve coordination, boost mobility, and give you a sense of control over your movements again. And here's a science-backed bonus. Squats trigger the release of human growth hormone, which helps preserve lean muscle, burn fat, and support cellular repair. That's huge for aging well. Form check. Stand with your feet about hip to shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up and your core engaged as you lower down, like you're sitting into a chair. Push through your heels to stand tall again. Make sure your knees track over your toes and don't cave inward. Start with 10, 12 squats a day and gradually increase from there. Your legs and your confidence will thank you. And finally, the plank, a deceptively simple move with major benefits. Why is this especially important after 50? Because your core is your body's powerhouse. A strong core supports your spine, improves balance, protects your lower back, and even helps you breathe better. Planks activate not just your abs but also your shoulders, glutes, legs, and back. In just one position, you're building total body stability and strength. Another benefit? Planks help rev up your metabolism. Engaging multiple muscle groups at once means you burn more calories and fight off that stubborn belly fat that tends to creep in with age. Here's how to get started. Lower down onto your forearms with elbows directly under your shoulders. Extend your legs back and form a straight line from your head to your heels. Don't let your hips drop or rise too high. Squeeze your core, breathe deeply, and hold. Begin with 20-30 seconds, then gradually build up as you get stronger. Focus on quality over time. You might not feel like much is happening at first, but within weeks, you'll feel the change in your posture, your strength, and your daily movement. So, here's the big picture. If you're over 50, these 3 exercises, push-ups, squats, and planks, can help you stay strong, steady, and full of energy for years to come. You don't need to work out for hours. You don't need to go to the gym. All it takes is a few minutes a day and a commitment to your health. Remember, strength after 50 isn't just about looking good. It's about living better. It's about preventing injury, staying active, keeping up with your hobbies, your grandkids, your travels, your life. Start today, start small, and stay consistent. If this video inspired you, go ahead and hit that like button. Leave a comment below. Are you already doing some of these moves or are you starting fresh? I'd love to hear where you're at. And if you're ready for more tips on staying fit, mobile, and pain-free as you age, subscribe to the channel and check out the next video on your screen right now. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. See you in the next one.